Introducing New Hens, a beginner's guide to chicken dynamics. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a rather unique phrase, introducing new hens. This phrase is not just about chickens. It's a great way to explore English idioms and phrases related to animals. Whether you're an English language learner or simply interested in animal-related expressions, this video is for you. Let's click right into it. Introducing new hens literally refers to the process of adding new hens to an existing flock of chickens. This isn't as simple as it sounds. Chickens have their social structures, known as the pecking order, and introducing new members can disrupt this balance. However, beyond its literal meaning, this phrase can teach us about the importance of context in English expressions. We'll explore how animal-related terms can be used to describe social situations among humans, drawing parallels that enrich our understanding of language. The concept of the pecking order is pivotal when introducing new hens into a flock. It's a social hierarchy that determines which chickens have access to resources like food and nesting spots. This term has transcended its original context and is now commonly used in English to describe the hierarchy within human social groups or organizations. Understanding this concept can help English learners grasp the nuances of human social structures and how animal behavior can metaphorically represent human interactions. In this section, we'll expand our vocabulary with terms and idioms that involve chickens or are derived from poultry behavior. Phrases like ruffling feathers, causing upset or offense, chicken out, to decide not to do something out of fear, and egg someone on, to encourage someone to do something, often something unwise, are not only fun to say but also offer insight into how language evolves. Each of these idioms has a story, reflecting how closely language and culture are intertwined. Learning idiomatic expressions can be challenging but rewarding. Here, we'll share some practical tips for incorporating them into your everyday English. Techniques like using them in sentences, watching English media that includes these expressions, and practicing with native speakers can enhance your fluency and understanding of the cultural context behind the phrases. We hope you found this journey through the phrase, introducing new hens, and its related idioms both informative and entertaining. Remember, learning a language is not just about memorizing rules and vocabulary, it's about understanding the culture and the stories behind the expressions. Don't be afraid to explore and ask questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Happy learning, and remember, keep pecking away at your language goals.